Hi guys, welcome to Aussie's group, and again we are back with the cue card. And the topic for today is describe a time when you had to change your plan. The sub points inside was when it was, where it was, and why did you have to change your plan. So I'm going to start at 20 seconds, stop at 2 minutes 20 seconds. We follow the routine drill, and let's begin. A time when I had to change my plan was last week. So last week I had a plan of going away for the weekend, and because I'd been working a lot since past 2 months and I decided I needed a break. So I gathered my friends and we decided to go on a short road trip just nearby my city, and we would be away for the weekend. And however, it was Friday morning and I was already burdened with work. I wanted to finish off the work before I left. So I started doing my work, and suddenly on Friday noon, I received a call from my boss, and it was not something that I wanted to hear. He actually called me saying that he had an emergency and there was a meeting on Saturday which he was supposed to attend, and work was taken care of before, but then there was an emergency in his family and he wouldn't be able to attend the meeting on Saturday noon, and I was supposed to take care of the meeting. It was a very important meeting because the clients from abroad were coming and there was no chance that we could afford to miss it. Either him or me had to be there. So obviously this time it wasn't for him, so I had to be there. And I had to change my plan. I had to immediately call up my friends, cancel the booking to the hotels we'd made, and cancel the trip because work was obviously more important then, and I had to give priority to my work. I was heartbroken honestly because I was waiting for this break since a very, very long time, but there was nothing which could have been done. But my boss realized my dedication and how I willingly sacrificed my vacation. So he called me up on Friday evening suggesting that if I could postpone my plan, instead of a 2 day leave, I could take a 3 day leave. Like I could get the whole long weekend off, that is Friday, Saturday, Sunday. So ultimately, I changed my plan, but also it was for good. I got a longer break than what I actually thought of. And luckily, the hotel was very supportive. It actually postponed without charging an extra fee. So, this was a time where I had to change my plan. Thank you.